I left it like a stop. I don't know how to show it. Right now, let's get started by doing those two. Those two for the Dominator and test them and see if it makes a difference, and hopefully at the end of the week I get the spring, so let's see. But let's start with this, later on some computer work, and after that I'm gonna move on with this one. So yes, yeah, let's start with this. Let's go. One, as you can see, okay, I left it like a stop. I don't know how to show it. The cover is not straight, so you can see, okay, voila. So looking good. The only thing now, after fitting it to put it in place, after that now is 0.1 close this hole, so I need to hone it to position. This one is good to go. I'm going to start it now, and let's see this one. This one I will hone it, and then after that test it with this one. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so another day, another journey. Right now, let's see. This one, this is from the Bonneville, and I measured it, and I think it was last week or this week? Last week, yeah. And it was 41.2524. I recalibrate my tool just to be sure, and then I noticed that it was 24 and a half, 23.65. I don't know, because I cannot measure that, but I could see that it's less than 24. And in theory, it's just above the minimum, but I don't like it. I'm not gonna gamble that one, so I'm gonna split this one apart. Like, yeah, I mean, just take the bearings out, and tomorrow I'm gonna send it to for grinding. We're gonna do like like regrind it again, and I will need to clean it again from the inside and so, but it's okay. I prefer to be really sure that it's good and not that it's barely okay. So yes, that's gonna happen tomorrow. Right now you can see this one is here now. Okay, yesterday I was cleaning, I took the sunglasses, I put it there, voila. And with this lady, now I'm going to show it, but anyways, let's see if I can show it now. So this works again, okay, but it's not 100%, and I think is that the spring is still too floppy. So I need to wait for the new spring. I cannot do anything else. Holy moly, you! Okay, finally. What? Good morning, eh? Oh yeah, and by the way, that was my new tiny car.